Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It is so wonderful to be here today. I am very, very happy to talk to all of you.
I am happy too, Paul. You look very relaxed today. Do you have your coffee?
Oh, you know me so well. Yes, I have a big cup of hot coffee. It is delicious. And you, Emily, how are you today?
I am doing great, thank you. I have my green tea and I am ready to talk. I love our chats.
Me too. They are the best part of my day. But Emily, before we start our big topic,
Oh, yes, I almost forgot. Everyone, if you like our podcast, please click the like button right now.
yes, please, it helps us a lot. And if you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe to Mr. English Channel. We make many podcasts for you.
And share this with your friends and your family. If they are learning English, they can listen to us too.
Yes, share the love and share the English. Okay, Emily, what is our topic for today?
Today is a very important topic. I think many people need to hear this. Our topic is you don't need to rush. You just need to keep moving.
Wow, I like that. You don't need to rush. That means you don't need to go fast, right?
Exactly. Sometimes learning English feels like a race. People want to learn everything in 1 week.
Oh, I know. They say, I want to speak perfect English tomorrow, but that is very hard.
It is impossible, Paul. And then when they are not perfect tomorrow, they feel sad. They want to stop.
That is the problem. People get stressed because they are in a hurry. They think they are too slow.
Yes, but being slow is okay. The important part is that you do not stop.
Don't stop. I like that. It is like a long walk. You don't need to run, you just need to keep walking.
Yes. Imagine a big mountain. The mountain is English. It is a very big mountain.
Oh no, a mountain? That sounds scary, Emily. I am not a good climber.
Don't worry, Paul. You don't need to jump to the top. You just take one small step today and one small step tomorrow.
Ah, I see. One step at a time. So if I learn only one new word today, is that okay?
It is more than okay. It is fantastic. One word today is better than 0 words.
That makes me feel much better. Sometimes I look at big English books and I feel overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed is a big word, Paul, but you are right. Big books are scary. So my first tip for everyone is start small.
Start small. Okay, like 5 minutes?
Yes, only 5 minutes. Can you listen to English for 5 minutes while you drink your coffee?
Oh, I can do that. 5 minutes is easy. I can listen to a song or I can listen to a short story.
Exactly. 5 minutes every day is better than 3 hours only on Sunday.
Really? Why is that?
Because your brain likes habits. If you do it every day, English becomes a friend. If you do it only one day, English is a stranger.
Ah, I like that. Make English your friend. That is very nice.
Yes, and you don't need to rush to understand every word. If you listen to a song and you understand only hello and love, that is a victory.
A victory. I like winning. So I don't need to understand the whole song.
No, not today. Maybe next month you will understand more, but today, just enjoy the music.
That takes the pressure away. I feel more relaxed now.
Good, because when you are relaxed, your brain learns better. When you are stressed and rushing, your brain closes.
Oh no, I don't want a closed brain. I want an open brain.
Then stop rushing, Mr. Fast. Slow down and enjoy the journey.
Okay. I am slowing down.
But Emily, what about speaking? Many people want to speak fast.
That is another big mistake. People think speaking fast means speaking well, but that is not true.
No?
No, if you speak very fast, but you make many mistakes, it is hard to understand. It is better to speak slowly and clearly.
Oh, I see. So if I say, I am going to the park, that is okay?
That is perfect, Paul. You are clear. I understand you. That is communication.
Communication, not perfection. We said that in another episode, right?
Yes, we did. It is so important. If you speak slowly, you have time to think about your words.
That is true. When I try to speak fast, I get nervous and I forget everything.
We all do that, even me. So tell yourself, it is okay to be slow.
I will tell myself that every morning. Paul, be slow. Paul, be clear.
Good job. Now, I have another tip for our listeners. This is about comparing.
Comparing. You mean looking at other people?
Yes, sometimes we see a person on the internet and they speak amazing English, and we think, oh, I am bad. They are so good. I want to be like them now.
Oh, I do that. I see people and I feel a little sad because my English is not like that.
But Paul, you don't know their story. Maybe they studied for 10 years. Maybe they live in London.
That is true. I don't see their hard work. I only see their success.
Exactly. Your only competition is you. Are you better than you were yesterday?
Yesterday, I didn't know the word overwhelmed. Today, I know it. So yes, I am better today.
See? You are winning. You are moving. That is all that matters.
You are very smart, Emily. This makes me want to keep moving. But what if I feel tired? What if I want to stop for a day?
That is a great question. If you are tired, you can rest. Rest is good, but don't quit.
What is the difference between resting and quitting?
Resting means you stop for a moment to get more energy. Quitting means you give up on your dream.
Oh, I don't want to give up. I want to speak English with the world.
Then take a rest day. On a rest day, you don't study grammar. You don't look at books. Maybe you just watch a funny movie in English with subtitles in your language.
Oh, I like that. A movie is not work. A movie is fun.
Exactly. That is still moving. You are still hearing the language. You are not quitting.
That is a very kind way to learn English. I like being kind to myself.
It is the only way to learn a language, Paul. If you are mean to yourself, you will stop.
So, no more saying, I am stupid or I am slow?
Never. Say, I am learning and I am getting better.
I like those sentences. They feel warm.
They are. Now, Paul, what is something small you did this week for your English?
Let me think. Oh, I changed the language on my phone to English.
Wow, that is a big step, Paul. Was it hard?
At first, yes. I was looking for my photos and I couldn't find the word. But then I saw photos and I remembered. Now every day I see words like settings, messages, and clock.
That is a perfect example of moving without rushing. You use your phone every day. Now you see English every day. It is a small habit.
Yes, and I didn't need to spend 3 hours studying. I just used my phone like normal.
I love that. Everyone listening, can you do that? Can you change your phone to English? It is a small victory.
Yes, try it. It is fun. But remember where the settings button is first.
Yes, good advice. We don't want you to get lost in your phone.
Emily, I was thinking, what about mistakes? When we move slowly, do we make fewer mistakes?
Maybe, but mistakes will still happen, and that is okay. Remember, even if you move slowly, you are still moving forward. A mistake is just a small bump in the road.
A bump in the road. You just go over it and keep walking.
Exactly. Don't let a bump stop your whole trip.
You know, Emily, I feel much more confident now. I always thought I needed to be fast. I thought I was failing because I am slow.
You are not failing, Paul. You are a star. Look at how much we are talking right now.
We are talking a lot, and it is all in English.
See? You kept moving and now you are here.
It is amazing. I want to tell everyone, please, don't be sad if you are slow. Be proud.
Yes, be proud that you are trying. Many people never try. You are brave.
Brave English learners. I like that title.
Me too. Now, Paul, I think it is time for our little recap. We talked about many good things today.
We did. It was a very helpful chat. I remember the first thing you said about starting small.
Yes, only 5 or 10 minutes a day. It is better than a long time only once a week.
And I remember the mountain. We don't need to jump to the top. We just take one step.
Exactly. And we talked about speaking. We don't need to be fast. We need to be clear.
Slow and clear. Like my coffee. Wait, no, coffee is not slow. But my talking can be slow.
And don't compare yourself to other people. Only look at your own progress.
Yes, my only competition is the Paul from yesterday. And today's Paul is better.
And the last thing, be kind to yourself. If you are tired, rest, but don't quit.
Change your phone language, watch movies, and enjoy the journey.
Perfect. You remembered everything, Paul. You are a great listener.
Well, it's easy to listen when the conversation is so fun.
I agree. This was a wonderful episode. I hope it helps all our friends at home feel more relaxed.
I hope so too. You are doing a great job, everyone. Keep going.
Yes, keep moving. Even if it is slow, it is beautiful.
Well, Emily, it is almost time to go.
It is, but before we say goodbye, we have a question for our listeners.
Oh, I love the questions. Everyone, please write a comment below. We love to read them.
Our question is, what is one small step you will take today for your English?
Maybe it is a 5-minute song? Maybe it is changing your phone language. Tell us.
Yes, we want to know. And please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And give us a like if you had a good time with us today.
Share this episode with one friend who feels stressed about English. Tell them, relax, you are doing great.
That is a beautiful gift for a friend.
It really is. Well, Paul, I think that's all.
Thank you, Emily. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. We will see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye for now. Keep moving.